Thank you for clicking into the site of Carpet Tiles1. My name is Vince Perry. I'm the owner of Carpet Tiles1. The purpose of this video is to give you a motion view of our open stillages. The past ones we used to have were all one piece. The issues we had in successfully selling those open stillages was they had to be nested. Being nested, they're harder to pack, harder to unpack. If you were not using them in your warehouse and you had to pack them away, obviously you would have more effort to nest and to stack away the open stillages. However, our smart little engineers from overseas has now developed this into a demountable stillage. And what we do here, the legs actually come off. So you can easily pack, you can easily unload, and as you'll see in the other photography, the pin that goes right through to the other side with a tiny screw actually connects it. And there's no way it will fall out. So packing it away, much easier. Shipping it to you for the same price, we can virtually double the amount of stillages that we can ship at the same cost because they're all condensers. We can pack them faster and ship more for the same cost. Fantastically used in lots of industries for long planks, long bars, pipes, easily forklift across anywhere. The open stillage is very practical, and our prices are ridiculously cheap as usual, wholesale to everybody. Have any questions, please give us a call, send us an email. All the details are on the website. If you pick it up, instead of us shipping them to you, Carpet Tiles1, 3 to 9 Cook Road, Marrickville, open Monday to Saturday, 7 AM till 5 PM. Thank you.